Hello everybody, welcome to Open House. My name is Megan Nielsen and I'm a teacher here at the high school, a math teacher, and I am teaching your student in Calculus 3 this year, which for the spring semester will be College Credit Plus through Tri-C, and in the fall we will be preparing for that. So we will be finishing up some of the Calc 2 topics that were cut off from the AP Calculus BC exam in the spring because of going remote. So we're going to pick up where we left off there and then just get your student ready for the Calculus 3 for the spring. So here is a list of the outcomes and objectives for Math 2310, which is Calculus 3, also known as multivariable calculus. And these are the learning objectives from Tri-C on what your student will be able to do by the end of the course. So it is a lot of information and we will be working on getting your student ready for that come spring. So a little bit about me. I went to Miami University and graduated in 2012 from there with a double major in math and statistics and math education. I then got a teaching job here in 2012. I was very lucky and have been here ever since. Since I've been here, I've been working on my master's, and I got that in 2017 from John Carroll University. And then I just included a couple pictures. One is of my husband and me at the Indians game, not this year, of course, but hopefully again sometime soon. And then our two dogs that love to be outside, and we love to go hiking and everything like that with them. All right, so getting into the organization and everything of the course, Google Classroom is going to be key. And on there, you're going to find assignments, notes, homework, answer keys, and many more resources as we get to them. The biggest one to stay organized is going to be the weekly agenda. And you notice here that there's a red and a gold. That is because with the hybrid, we are going to be on slightly different pages between the beginning and the end of the alphabet, but overall, every student is still getting the same information. If I click on the red, you can see this is going to be the general form of it: date, learning objective, classwork, and homework, along with any extra resources. And there will be links, as you can see here. I have a couple links here hyperlinked that the student will need that week, or already needed, and that will keep them organized. And the plan is every week I'll put the newest week on top, so it'll be the same Google Doc throughout the year. So if you needed or wanted to bookmark it, or your student wanted to bookmark it, it is the same link every week, which you'll be able to see here. If I go to our Google Classroom, the topic here is just the week, and then I have the agendas. And again, there's a red and a gold one, and then also there'll be any other postings here if students need to turn anything in on Google Classroom. So I'm going to click on the gold one. You can see it'll look a little bit different than the red, but again, your student is getting all the same information no matter what side of the red or the gold that they're on. And so that's going to just be really helpful to keep your student organized. This is also on my website, so parents are able to see it without logging into your student's Google Classroom. So that is helpful, I think, for you guys as well. If your student finds that they need extra help, here is my availability before school, after school, and during 4th and 5th periods are my planning periods. So I do encourage your students to come in and see me if they're having any questions on homework, on any of the notes that we do, and anything at all. I'm very open to meeting with students and helping them out. The last thing here is progress book. We use that for our grades. I will update it regularly, so you want to just make sure that you are checking to make sure you and your student are on the same page. Also, you want to make sure that your email is updated, because I will send out email blasts through progress book to students and parents. Sometimes it's a whole class announcement. Sometimes it is just, for a small group or a single student and parent. So please make sure that that is updated in there so you can be aware of the announcements. And that's pretty much it. Please reach out to me this year if you have any questions as we go. Thank you.